This video will show you how to use the MailChimp Integration App. Start by connecting your MailChimp account to the app by logging to your MailChimp account and approving the connection. Once connected, select the MailChimp list you would like to use and click Update. Next, you'll want to select what information to send to MailChimp. You can send your existing Wix contacts and choose the preferred subscription status for those contacts. Follow the link below for information on how to set up automatic welcome email to your new subscribers. You can also send order information. Read below how to set up win-back emails reminding customers who have not purchased in a while to come back, as well as create segment by purchase activity to target your best customers. You also have the option to send abandoned carts information to MailChimp. Read below on how to set up abandoned cart emails. You also have the option to sync your existing contact and orders that were created before you install the app. Now you can proceed to design the newsletter pop-up. This app includes several templates for you to choose and customize to match your website. You can make any changes and see them in real time on the pop-up preview on the right side. You can also enable the option to collect customer name, which allows you to create personalized emails, as well as collect date of birth, which can help you set up automated birthday emails to your customers. If you don't like any of our backgrounds, we're not offended. You can upload your own background and use it instead using the built-in Wix upload. Once you've finished making all the changes, click on Update and you'll be able to view the new pop-up. You'll need to open a new browser window in incognito or private mode and navigate to the homepage of your website. After a few seconds, the pop-up will appear. As we mentioned, there are several templates that come with the app. Including a basic custom template and a more advanced custom template where you can enter your own HTML code. When you do that, make sure to use the same element IDs for the name, email, and submit button. These pop-ups are mobile friendly. You can view a mobile version by using developer mode in a browser, usually by clicking F12, and then clicking on the mobile icon on the bottom left side of the screen. We're going to enter our information here and click Submit to see the confirmation text. Finally, the app has a pop-up counter to measure its effectiveness. You'll be able to see how many times the pop-up was displayed and how many times it was clicked. Thank you for using our application.